If you want to go ahead and utilize the feature to analyze out image, then you can easily use Qwen. So to do that, you need to go ahead and click on the plus button first and then upload out an image that you want to analyze. Let's say, for example, if I were to go ahead and click right here, then this is what you have. Apart from that, you can also go around onto more right here and then click on Analyze Image. So it says describe the landscape and the prominent features or lighting right here, or you can simply go ahead and then say describe image. But I'm just going to say describe the composition and framing up the shot right here, and now it'll take that particular image right here that I uploaded and will explain it out. So it says the image appears to be a promotional graphic for TTTube's photography competition, and here is a detailed analysis of its composition and framing. So it says the overall layout, the graphic is square in shape, which is common for social media posts or promotional images. The background is a solid olive green color, providing a neutral and a clean backdrop that ensures that other elements stand out. And then it says the top section has this, the bottom section has this, and then you can see that it simply goes ahead and then keeps on explaining everything out right here. And this is how you can go ahead and utilize the Analyze Image feature inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.